particular machine that we have employed as our #1 go-to digital device is based upon the KODAK PROSPER digital imaging system. And how we configured our line was pretty simple. We took what we felt was the most efficient way to make a folding carton, that is, from starting with a roll of paperboard and ending with a printed die-cut carton blank ready to go into a folder gluer. And so what we have is an unwind stand holding 2 rolls of paperboard, and that goes into a web cleaner and then into a flexographic priming unit whereby we apply what the KODAK calls primer. And then we also have a second flexographic print unit before entering into the digital print unit. And that enables us to put down some special effects, be it a metallic underprint or a special PMS color before we overprint it with digital print. Then downstream from the KODAK 4-color PROSPER that goes where it spans the entire width of the web. And then we go downstream and we have 5 more flexographic printing units, which enables us to print multiple coatings, be it high gloss, low gloss, combination varnishes, also up to 2-color backside print at the same time, and also specialty inks that you can't apply digitally, such as glow-in-the-dark inks or scratch-off inks, that type of thing. And then finally, after the coating stations, then we go into a reciprocating die cutter made by a company called Zumbiel. So we go from roll that's delivered from the mill to a printed die-cut carton blank in one operation. And by doing that, we're able to minimize a lot of the non-value-added processes involved in a sheet-fed operation, and that more than compensates, we have found, for the some of the higher consumable costs for the digital inks and primers. But we took out some of the non-value-added steps along the way to try to bring the prices as close to parity as we can.